Welcome back to our WooCommerce 101 series. With categories, tags, shipping classes, and attributes covered, it's finally time to start creating products for your store. To get started, go to Products, Add Product. You'll then see a layout you should be familiar with from creating a standard post in WordPress. You'll see a product name field at the top, then a content editor field, then there will be new meta boxes for product data and product short description. Over in the sidebar, the new meta boxes will be product categories, product tags, product image, which is normally the featured image, and product gallery. Those are below the normal published meta box at the top. As you can guess, in the product name field, this is where you'll title your product. We'll call our new poster Flying Ninja. In the editor field, we'll write a little bit about our poster. This can be as long as you want, but normally a paragraph is a good length for this section. What you write here will show up beneath the product name in a typical product page layout. The product data meta box is where all of the important information goes. As you can see, we can set the type of product we want to create. In this video, we'll create a simple product, but the options are simple product, grouped product, external/affiliate product, and variable product. Next to the product type dropdown, you'll see two checkboxes that let you create a virtual product and make the product downloadable as well. We'll cover the virtual option shortly. The downloadable product will be covered in another video. The rest of the settings are separated into different sections running down the left side of the product data meta box. From the top, for a simple product, those are general, inventory, shipping, linked products, attributes, and advanced. By default, we start in the general section. Here you can set a SKU if you use those in your store. SKU stands for stock keeping unit, and it is a way to help identify your products if needed. From there, we have a regular price field and a sale price field. Use the regular price field to set the normal price of your product. And if you want to put your product on sale, you can enter a sale price in the next field and also schedule the sale period. If you select schedule, two new fields appear to set the from date and the to date for your product to be on sale. Select cancel to remove the date fields. The last options in the general section let you set the product tax status. Then choose a tax class if it is taxable. In tax status, you can choose taxable, shipping only, or none. Then the tax class dropdown will have any tax classes you've created in the tax settings covered in an earlier video. The next section on the left is inventory. Here you can enable stock management at the product level. Then set the stock status. Is this product in stock or out of stock? Lastly, check if the product is sold individually, which will only let a customer buy one of these posters in an order. The next section is where a virtual product can come into play. If your product is not shipped at all, for example if you sell a service, you can check the virtual checkbox and the shipping section on the left side will be removed. Let's go over the shipping settings then if your product is physical. These settings are very important, so be sure you set the weight and dimensions correctly here. If these aren't set, and your shipping method calculates rates based on the product's dimensions, your customers will get errors or vastly wrong rates at checkout. Lastly, you can set a shipping class for the product if you use classes to help set shipping costs. We've covered shipping classes in an earlier video as well. The next section, titled Linked Products, lets you set upsells and cross-sells for this product. You can also assign the simple product to a grouped product here. You can ignore the grouping setting for now, as we'll cover that when we create a grouped product. So what are upsells and cross-sells? We'd recommend you use upsells to promote products that might be more profitable or of a higher quality. For example, your service you are selling might have a more expensive option with more features. You can entice customers to purchase that by making it an upsell on your lower end products. The upsells are shown on the product page beneath the original product details. You can use cross-sells to sell related or similar products to your customers. The products set in cross-sells are normally shown on the checkout page to entice customers to buy more products. This all depends on your theme though. Some may remove the cross-sells from checkout. For a simple product, the next section titled Attributes isn't very important. These are normally used for variable products, but can be used on a simple product. This is useful should you want to display extra information about a product that is unlikely to apply to another. For example, you may sell a one-off Japanese game to an English audience. You could make a language attribute for that one product and display in the product data section on the front end. We'll cover attributes at a product level in the variable product video. Finally, under the advanced section, you can start by adding a purchase note, which will be sent to the customer after purchase. Then you can set a menu order And the final option lets you enable or disable reviews for this product. With all of the product data options set, there are only a few more things to cover. As we talked about in the previous video, you can select or create a product category in the sidebar. You can also add or select product tags. The product image field works just like it does when creating a post, and for a product, the product image is the main image that is seen across your shop page. The product's main image when viewing the product, the thumbnail you see in the cart, etc. The last item in the sidebar is the product gallery. Here you can upload other images to your product, or choose from existing ones in your media library. These will show up beneath the product's featured image. That's all there is to creating a simple product in WooCommerce. Watch our next video covering grouped products. Thanks for watching.